Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the door hinge on your washer, first remove the bolts securing the hinge to the front panel. Pull the hinge up to release it, and set the door assembly on a towel or blanket. Now remove all of the screws securing the outer door panel. Leave the middle hinge screw intact. Separate the two door panels and remove the screws securing the hinge cover. Unthread the middle hinge screw and pull off the cover. You can now remove the old door hinge. Prepare the new door hinge for installation by transferring the 4 bushings from the old hinge to the new one. Now insert the new hinge into the inner door panel and realign the hinge cover. Replace the cover screws. Secure the middle hinge screw as well. Now align and join the inner and outer door panels. Replace all of the screws to secure. Hook the new hinge on the front panel and push down. Replace the mounting bolts to secure. With the repair completed, confirm that the washer door opens and closes properly.